caught in a cycle of stagnation. Remember, it's a temporary state. The key to breaking free: change your mindset. Believe you're capable of greatness and watch as the universe aligns in your favor. Create a clear vision of your goals. Financial freedom, career success, personal fulfillment, whatever it may be. Visualize it, create a roadmap, and start your journey. But beware, a vision without action remains a dream. Learn, acquire new skills, surround yourself with inspiring individuals. Embrace challenges and failures, they're opportunities for growth. Success isn't solely about wealth, it's about achieving balance. Prioritize self-care, your relationships, and making a positive impact. Ready to transform from stagnation to a wealthy, fulfilling existence? Start today, embrace positivity, set clear goals, take action, and persevere. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards abundance and success. Subscribe for more valuable insights. Remember, your wealthy life is just around the corner.